Right, by week 7, what are we doing with simultaneous? Right, by simultaneous. We had a good look at most of these the last day, and I was going to make sure that we fully aware and what we remember that we did the last day. Right, off you go and solve that simultaneous. That's still a junior sort of simultaneous. First thing we have to do, get rid of the fraction at the bottom line. Get rid of the fraction at the bottom line, multiply across by 6. Multiply across by 6, get rid of the fraction. You multiply this by 6, this by 6, and this by 6. So 3 to 6 and 2. Yeah, well, we have to say 3 to 6 will leave you with 2 by 5x, and then 2 to 6 will leave you with 3 by 1. Like this. Yeah, that's correct. Multiply across by 6, 3 to 6. 2 by 5x minus 3 by y. 72. Yeah, so how many times? Yeah. check it there. 10x minus 3y is equal to 72. 2x minus 3y, 10x minus 3y is equal to 72. Multiply back into minus 1 minus 10x plus minus 8x is equal to minus 48. Should get 6. Not minus 6. Just the top line. So minus 8x and minus 48, x goes 6 times, so into the top line. 2 times 6 minus 3y is equal to 24. Minus 3y is equal to 24 minus 12. Divide across by 3, y is minus 4. Right, now on these, you see you can do a big picture on our own. So go there. Example number 2. X is equal to 5 minus y, 4x over 3 plus 8 is equal to y over 2. X is equal to 5 minus y, 4x over 3 plus 8 is equal to y over 2. No, x is y in the left, numbers on the right. Simultaneous x is y in the left. No, she's ready for you. Willie, isn't it? No, Willie. Sorry? Louis. Sorry, Louis. Sorry. Yeah, Matt, perfect. Right, x plus y is equal to 5, multiply across by 6, 6, 6. 3 into 6 goes 2 by that is 8x. 6 8 is plus 48 is equal to 2 into 6 goes 3, y. That's x plus y equals 5. That's 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 48, multiplied by 3. 3x plus 3y is equal to 15. 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 48. They cancel. 11x is equal to minus 33. X equals minus 3. So back into your top line. X plus y is equal to 5. Minus 3 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 plus 3. Y is equal to 8. Give me a show of some freeze, please. So, minus 3 and 8. Right, perfect. They are the end of the junior cert ones. Right, leaving cert 1. Well, introduction to leaving cert 1, still slightly junior cert. Sum of two numbers is 9, twice the first number is added to 3 times the second, the answer is 15. Find the two numbers. This is a basic introduction to a worded simultaneous equation. Anyone, any idea? Keep it down x and 1. Keep it down x. The man, first number is x. Second number is 1. No. Great. What's my first line? You're missing the first line. Very first line is handy. Or line 1 was that? X plus y is 9. X plus y is 9. Sum of two numbers is 9, i.e. x plus y is 9. Sum of two numbers. Number 1 is x, number 2 is y. Add 2 and get 9. Second line? 2x plus 3y. So stop right after all solved. Jump to Jackson. We get these? Small mistake there, it's it. Let's have a look at that. So, first things first, x plus y is x plus y equals 9. 2x plus 3y is equal to 15. You happy with those? Multiply your top line by minus 3. That's minus 3x minus 3y is equal to minus 27. 2x plus 3y is equal to 15. Minus 1x is equal to minus 12, x equals 12. So back into your top line, 12 plus y equals 9. Y is equal to 9 minus 12, y is equal to minus 3. Steve. We have it there? Right. Off you go. Solve that for me. We're still on simultaneous, so you don't miss much, alright? You were saying 3x plus y, 2x minus 3y. Easier. 3x plus y is 17. Why is 3x plus y equal to 17? What is it? It's a rectangle. You know rectangles? Opposite sides are equal. Off you go. Solve for me. Yeah, we have 5 and 2 boys. Good stuff. Exactly. We said 3x plus y is 17, 2x minus 3y is 4, multiply by 3, 9x plus 3y is 51, 2x minus 3y is 4, cancel them, 11x, 55, x is equal to 5, sub it back in, y equals 2. Perfect. Too easy. Give you a few of those harder ones to practice tonight. Right. First type of lead is that one. There's two of them. You have triples, and you have simultaneous equations which are both linear and quadratic. So, everything you've done so far on this, with the fractions and all that, is technically general questions. They're just harder general questions and leaving cert order questions. This is your first out and out leaving cert question. X plus y is equal to 3, x squared plus y squared is equal to 5. Here, they want you to find point of intersection between a line and a quadratic. This circle quadratic is, anyone done part of geometry circle there? Yeah. This is a circle math. So they want you to find the point of intersection between a line and a circle using algebra. How do we do it? Y equals to 0. I haven't seen it that way before. Do anything like that? I don't think there is.
I'm just thinking of how the line will intersect.
How the line will intersect it normally, yeah. I know what you're thinking there. No, I wouldn't do that here. You make the decision. Now, it's very, very important. You make the right decision. I'll show you in a minute over here what I mean by making the decision. You let x or y equal to a certain value in the linear one. First things first, which is the linear, which is the quadratic. Linear is x plus y. This is the quadratic. Everybody knows quadratic because it has a square in it. It has to be quadratic. You leave either x or y equal to one or the other. So what I mean by that is x is equal to, what did I say over here? Y is equal to 3 minus x. Or you could have said x is equal to 3 minus y. Either one doesn't make a difference. Just mark the schemes out there for both. You can do them both ways. There is a smart decision, and I'll go through that in a minute. But for the time being, I'll explain how to do it like this. Y is equal to 3 minus x. I've got my linear, I've got a value for y. I'm now going to sub this back into that one. The reason I'm going to sub that back into that one is I want to get rid of two variables I only want one. So instead of having x plus y squared equal to 5, I now have x plus 3 minus x squared equal to 5. That's going to leave me with just x's in my answer. Does that make sense? I'm then going to get two values for x, sub them back in and get my two values for y. So the only bit that really is different than this is that you have to get a value for x or y. Is that right? So what I mean by that is square this out. X squared plus 3 minus x squared is equal to 5. That's x squared plus 3 plus 3 minus x. X squared plus 9 minus 3x plus x squared is equal to 5. 2x squared minus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0. What do you reckon I'm going to do here? Guiding up bracket or minus b. Exactly. Bracket or minus b, get two values for x. What did I do? Minus b. Yeah, minus b, minus, so on. You get x equal 1, x equal 2. Simultaneous though. You can't just get x, you must get y. So you solve it back into your original statement. Our original statement was x plus y equals 3, top line. So you say x is equal to 1, plus y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 minus 1, which is 2. X plus y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 minus 2, which is 1. There are your two values. You have when x is 1, y is 2, and x is 2, y is 1. And the reason for that is, as Stevie told us earlier on, this is actually the intersection of a line and there's your 2 points. 1, 2, and 2, 1. This comes up in coordinate geometry as line, coordinate geometry as circle, and it comes up as an algebra question. You need to know the two different ways to do it. Is that okay? Very important. Right. Most common mistake here is lads make this question harder than it needs to be. So it's just algebra for the first bit all how to do it. What I mean by that is, for example, am I going on the top line to get a value for y or get a value for x? Get a value for y. Take for example this one. 2x is equal to 3 plus y, y plus by 2. X is equal to 3 plus y over 2. I then sum back into this. I have to go 3 plus y over 2 could be squared divided by 2 plus y squared is equal to 4. I have to take it out of something and I can have a bit of practice to try and simplify that. There is a smart decision to make here. I bring out my top line again and I say y is equal to minus y is equal to 3 minus 2x, y is equal to minus 3 plus 2x. I go back. X squared over 2 plus minus 3 plus 2x squared equals 4. That is a lot easier to deal with as a lot less algebra, and a lot less where you can F it up. Is that okay? The main thing here at the start is you pick the right variable to work with. Is that fair enough? Pick the right variable to work with, and you do that. That's where most people make mistakes. You pick the wrong one and make the right way.
So when you're, say, when you got all that, and you have x squared over 2, and you multiply everything by 2, in the bracket, you multiply in the bracket.
Square that out first before you apply it. Makes it easy. Because if not, what you have to do is you have to put a big bracket around and multiply by 2. Makes life very hard. Square out your bracket first and then multiply it. Is that okay? Right, we'll do one of these. Have a go at the following question. And we'll go at 3x minus y is equal to 8, and x squared plus y squared is equal to 10. I'll leave that example on board. X plus y is equal to 3, x squared plus y squared. There is no real smarter option here because the bottom line is fairly handy to deal with. What is probably the smarter option to pick on the top though? Deal with y. Why deal with y? Because you want to have a fraction in it. If you deal with x, you'll have a fraction. So as I said, take out y and get a value for y. It'll be easier. You won't have a fraction in it. what you should spend doing your bracket is 30 seconds. If you can't do it in 30 seconds, easily, you get the right number. First number by the last number, 5 or 22.
First number.
5 22. 5 27. It takes more than 30 seconds to figure it out, just minus speed. No, as I said, it minus speed. It takes more than 30 seconds. Leads are higher than that, so all the time. Don't run out of time, so.
Just like the whole minus speed.
Straight engine record. No, that's engine record. Straight engine record. Fraction of the first. It's so much. Well, minus speed. Minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Brackets are on the end, and then one big number. Right, let's look at it. So we have 3x minus y is equal to 8. I told you go with y. The reason I told you go with y is 3x is equal to 8 plus y. X would be equal to 8 plus y over 3. Make life way too difficult subbing that in. Pick the easier option. So the easier option is to go with minus y is equal to 8 minus 3x. Y is equal to 3x minus 8. We happy with that? Or minus 8 plus 3x, either way, it doesn't make a difference. Then that's x squared plus, sub it in here. 3x minus 8 to be squared is equal to 10. X squared plus square the first, 9x squared, twice the first by the second, is minus 24 is minus 48x. Square the last, plus 64 is equal to 10. That's 10x squared minus 48x. Bring over 10 minus 10 plus 54 is equal to 0. Make life easier, divide across by 2. That is 5x squared minus 24x plus 27 is equal to 0. That okay? Right, any way to make that easy you can't. Guide number is 135. Add to give minus 24. 1 going to go into a 2 is not going to go into a 3. Is 3 going to go into it? 3 into 13 goes 4, carry the 1, 4. 3 into 12 goes 4. 45, no good. 4, no. 5 into it. 5 and 13, 23, 35. What you get? 135 divided by 7. No. 135 divided by 9. 915. That's going to work. 9 and 15 is going to work. 5x squared minus 9x minus 15x plus 27 is equal to 0. That's take out a common x. You're left with 5x minus 9. Take out a common minus 3. You're left with 5x minus 9 is equal to 0. X minus 3 and 5x minus 9 is equal to 0. 9 down the middle, x is equal to 3. 5x equal to 9, x equal to 9 over 5. Subbing back into your y is equal to 3x minus 8. You had y is equal to, therefore when it's 3, y is equal to 3 times 3 minus 8, y equals 1. When it's 9 over 5, y equals 3x minus 8. Y is equal to 3 times 9 over 5 minus 8. Y is equal to minus 13 over 5. And there's your answers. 3 and 1 and 9 over 5 and minus 13 over 5. Right, let's do another one of those. Make sure we get it right. Do for me. X plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. X squared plus 2y squared minus 24 is equal to 0. Solve for x or solve for y? Easy to do x. Or for x. The value for x and something. you get differential, no? 3, you get differential. Right, let's look. You all started out right, anyway. So, y is equal to 6 minus x, sub it into our bottom line. X squared plus, we said we're solving them for x, didn't we? X is equal to 6 minus y. Sub it into our bottom line. That is 6 minus y 2b squared plus 2y squared minus 24 is equal to 0. Square the first, 36, twice the first by the second, minus 12y plus y squared plus 2y squared minus 24 is equal to 0. You all happy with that so far? Y squared and 2y squared is 3y squared minus 12y. 36 minus 24 is plus 12 is equal to 0. Divide across by 3 to make life easier. Y squared minus 3 into 12 minus 4y. 3 into goes plus 4 is equal to 0. Divide across by bracket. Y and y minus 2 minus 2. Y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. Sorry? No, you do actually, yeah, you only need to do 1. X plus y minus 6. X plus y is equal to 6. You got y, x plus 2 is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 minus 2. X is equal to 4. So that means it's 4, 2. 4, 2. Is that alright? Where do you go wrong, Stevie? Oh, plus 4. Right. That is about as hard as they get, maybe a small bit harder on a second line, but it's pretty much the same setup. Just for the last 10 minutes, we're going to look at the last type of simultaneous equation that comes up. Alright, you'll have a few of them again to practice tonight for the homework. I advise you to practice it because not next week now, the week after, I'm going to be doing exam paper questions based on what we've done over the last 6-8 weeks. So if you ever miss the session, just go online, look up at and you need to look up for the next 2 weeks because I'll be going over exam paper questions. Because the main thing is your 5th year exams are going to be taken straight from exam paper questions, and also the whole point of doing grinds is gearing you towards the leaving certs. This year is all gearing about next year. So we need to be able to do the exam paper questions because that's what's based on. Is that alright? Right. Last type of simultaneous. Yeah, they're complicated. Yeah, you did. One sec, who's your teacher again? He might have skipped over it, but Miss Barrett-Scale definitely did anyway. Alright, it's in chapter 1 in the book you have. It's in the very first bit she actually did. It's like page 15 or 16. So if you are looking for examples of those questions, it's in the first chapter. Is that alright? I'm giving another girl grinds at the moment, Miss Paris class, and she definitely did that. It could be something that could come up. Right, the following. Solving 3 variable simultaneous equations. So this is the last type of simultaneous that will come up. Apart from the ordered ones, like a linear quadratic, you have the 3 variable. So when a 3 variable comes up like this, it doesn't make any difference which 2 lines you pick. I'll show you in a minute how you can make one of these longer when there's no need to. But at the moment, what we'll do is there is no market speed for this. It's as simple as this. They give you this question, and on the market scheme at the very, very bottom is x is equal to 2, for example, z is equal to minus 1, and y is equal to 3. These are 15 mark questions. And it's as simple as that. This 5, 10, 15. You don't get one of them, you get 0. You get 3 and you get 3 difference. Right. It's simply that 5 thing. Or some years, if they're adjusting the market scheme, they might go 7, 12, 15, something like that. But the most common method with these is keep just rushing, make small mistakes, make one tiny mistake, no matter what it is, you get the entire question wrong. These take about 10 minutes to do. Flat. Is that okay? They take about 10 minutes to do. Right. So we make a decision at the very beginning with these. We're going to decide what we have to do is we can't work with 3 variables. We're using simultaneous equations with only 2 variables, x and y, right? So we need to cancel a variable. It is up to you which variable to cancel. Making the right decision at the beginning cuts down on time. So, anyone know what the right decision is here? Cancel the z's. Why are we going to cancel the z's? Or y. Why is it right? Because they already knocked off. These two z's are going to knock straight away. So you don't do any multiplication, which would be your first mistake. Louis was also right in saying he could have cancelled the y's, i.e. you could pick this one and cancel the y's. Is that right? But they did not straight away. It's all about making the right decision at the beginning. So you have less work to do. So what I did is I picked A and B, cancelled my z's, x and 2x and x is 3x, y and 2y is 3y, 9 and 6 is 15. Now, it's up to you what you picked in. You pick B and you pick C and I must cancel the z's again. You must cancel the z's again, that's question 1 4. So you take out B and C, x plus 2y, 2x plus y, sorry, I took out A and C. 2x plus y minus z is equal to 9, 3x minus y plus 2z is equal to 17. Multiply top line by 2, because I want to cancel my z. Multiply your top line by 2. 4x, 2y minus 2z is equal to 18. 3x minus y plus 2z is equal to 17. My z's cancel. I get 7x plus y is equal to 35. Now I have my regular simultaneous equation. I have 3x plus 3y is equal to 15, and I have 7x plus y is equal to 35. I now can do a regular simultaneous like we're used to. Up to the top, multiply my bottom line by minus 3, exactly. 3x plus 3y is equal to 15, minus 21x minus 3y is equal to minus 105. They cancel. Minus 18x equals minus 90x equals 5. So make my top line. 3 times 5 plus 3y. 3y is equal to 15 minus 15. 3y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. So x and y back into any one of these original ones to get z. 2x plus y. 2 times 5 plus 0 minus z is equal to 9. Minus z is equal to 9 minus 10, minus z is equal to minus 1, z is equal to 1. As you can see, there is an amount of multiplication that you have to take your time doing these. One mistake throws the entire question, because you need the answer from here, and then the answer from here, put them together, you need the answer from here to go to the answer from here, you need the answer from here to go down to the answer from here. If you make one mistake in any one of your answers, it throws the entire question. This comes up. I think I looked at it, it comes up 3 in the last 6 years of 7. They love this triples and things. Is that right? Now, I was on about making smart decisions. First of all, there any questions on this so far? Anyone three, any questions on? Anyone? You've done this before, haven't you? Any questions on what's up there at the moment? No, right. Making smart decisions. When it comes to this, it's all about making smart decisions. What do you cancel y and what do you do? Cancel z. Manually. Why cancel z? There's already one done. Just cut 3-4 minutes after one. Already no z here. The ones that come up in the exam papers generally will be missing an area in some place. It's the other two you pick. So you're picking 1, you're picking 3, and we're cancelling that. You've already gone straight from here, you're into here in the next step. Is that right?
You don't have to work with another sum.
No, you take out 2x plus y minus z is equal to 0, and you take out 6x minus 2y minus 4z is equal to 16, you multiply this by minus 2.
Yeah. And you keep 3x plus 2.
You keep that one as the next line for your regular simultaneous. Does that make sense? With these questions, it's all about making a smart decision, make the right decision, make the right decision. Because you want to run out of time. You will not finish, especially your prees. I'm all finishing your prees. But you're going to run out of time and you need some answers. So it's all about saving time. Saving time. It's like for a factorizing that earlier on. Can't spend 3 minutes factorizing. Can't get it in 30 seconds. Might speed on. Is that right? It's all about saving time. Right, you're going to have a few of these to practice, and you're going to have a few linear quadratics, and you're going to have a few word problems to practice on the end. Anyone any questions? Sure. See you next week. Also, if anyone has any questions about like stuff that we did over the last few weeks that you're not sure, just give me a shout. I'll be hanging around for 10 minutes. Oh, no matter. Thanks. Good luck.